Today, we're talking about compression springs. These essential components are used across various industries, from automotive systems like brakes and suspension to aerospace applications in landing gear and control systems. They're also found in medical equipment, including diagnostic machines and surgical instruments. Let's start with materials. Compression springs can be made from steel, stainless steel, brass, aluminum, or even plastic, depending on the application. Each material offers unique benefits, such as corrosion resistance or lightweight properties. Next, we have spring rates, which measure how stiff a spring is. A higher spring rate means more resistance to compression. To find the right rate, you need to understand your load requirements and desired deflection. Measuring your spring is crucial. Pay attention to the free length, wire diameter, and number of active coils. Industries like robotics, consumer electronics, and furniture rely on these springs for functionality and comfort. Understanding compression springs can make a big difference in your designs.